So we're excited about it. We think there's a possibility that what it would do for our technology, which shows fantastic efficacy, is make that efficacy happen faster.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is David Regan. He is the CEO of Sona Nanotech. And David, it's good to have you back again. How are you?
It's good to be back, Steve. It's been about a month or so, and I'm hoping to be
Yeah.
able to see you more often over the next month or two.
Yeah, well, you've got some pretty significant news out today that you've done a partnership with BioVaxis. So tell me a bit about that company and sort of what this partnership means.
Sure. So it's a research agreement that we've entered into. And Sona, where we stand right now is we've got incredibly good and promising results from preclinical studies we've done that show incredible efficacy for our cancer therapy. And right now we're driving to go into a human trial, first in human trial. Really, really excited about that. But while we're waiting on that, because it's currently waiting for ethics approval, we're pressing the advantage. We're really looking for an opportunity to press the advantage. And this is a technology, it's a DPX technology from BioVaxis that we're really interested in. Some of the folks in our labs had been associated with that technology in the past, and they have a little bit of a strong scientific understanding of it, and saw that there could be some potential synergy for our two technologies together.
Yeah. So, not to get too sciencey on all of this, so people understand it, it basically targets the cell mutations or that the cancer cells have that the healthy cells don't have. It kind of will sort of zero in on that. Is that right?
Yeah, well, let me explain it to you as I
Good.
can. And the good news is I'm not burdened as my colleagues are with PhDs and MDs and whatnot. And I'm just a business guy here, right? And these guys, though, when you really break it down, what DPX has that we're really excited about is almost like, think of a salt truck in winter. Okay, a really big one. It's a carrier for delivery of different molecules, in this case, antigens, etc. But what's different about it is it's very, very large. It can take a very large delivery and be sustained at the spreading, but while hovering over one spot. So it's very precise, and it just releases it over time and over time. What that means is you don't have the systemic risk of having to inject something into the body and have it circulate through the whole body. It's very, very precise. So we're excited about it. We think there's a possibility that what it would do for our technology, which shows fantastic efficacy, is make that efficacy happen faster. And that's why we're excited about the technology. We've struck this research agreement. We're going to study it at the Giacomo Antonio lab at Dalhousie University, better understand it. And when we have an understanding as to whether there's a possibility, because that's uncertain at this stage, that it's going to be synergistic, then we drive forward to look at what could be done together.
And David, are you looking? I know you're looking at certain cancers for what you're talking about, but is this a type of technology that, if successful, could be used in a number of different applications?
Yes, their technology absolutely is. Our technology, THT, targeted hyperthermia therapy, well, our human trial that we're just on the cusp of kicking off is going after late stage melanoma. We see it as possible, and in fact have great data, preclinical data for colorectal cancer, and for breast cancer, and frankly, we have targeted a couple of other cancers as well: bladder cancer, glioblastoma, solid cancers. We see it as being, frankly, something that can work for many, many different types of cancers. It's a question of how to get at those tumors.
Right. And lastly, this partnership starting right away, is that the idea to get this thing going?
Yeah, that's the idea. There's a fairly strong protocol set that will assess it, quickly to understand if we can gate it and decide, do we move to the next step or not? So, very early stage
Yeah.
research agreement at this point. But the point is, we think our technology, our core technologies are biocompatible gold nanorods. And it's a platform technology. We think there are a number of different applications that can be done for it. We've got some provisional patents filed around the world of the realm of antibody drug conjugate types of delivery mechanisms. This could be another way to exploit the gold nanorod advantage, if you will.
Well, very fascinating stuff. David, thank you so much. Really appreciate your time, and good to see you again.
Thank you, Steve. Really appreciate the time too.
All right, David Regan, the
Cheers.
CEO of Sona Nanotech.